We are in a cave. Hey guys, we are in New Mexico and we're checking out ice caves and volcanoes. We are walking through the volcano right now, and all around us is this like volcanic rock. Super cool. Look at how crazy these rocks are. Right? Oh, neat. There's everywhere too. Right up there. We are at the top of a volcano. Look at that. It's crazy. Wow. I'm under lava right now. That's awesome. We are at the top of a volcano. Look at that. It's crazy. Wow. Like, all this land. It's just all this land. Oh, this cactus. Oh, this cactus. Those are some spiky cactus. Wait, look at this. Look at how small this one is. Oh, wow. Got some twisted wood. It reminds me of something, but I forget what it reminds me of. But we're gonna keep walking, and I'm gonna keep talking, and we're gonna see where it goes. There's some more twisted wood. Kinda cool. And then, oh, he's gonna see the pictures. Okay. Okay. And then, now we're just walking and talking. And the stone is kind of like stone, but like they all have holes in them. That's like air pockets and stuff. It's pretty cool. And then we saw some cactuses, and I don't know, it's a lot different than everywhere else we've been to. So yeah, we found a cave. Like, it just goes back there. Something might be living back there. I don't know. But I don't really want to find out either. So we're going back. We have made it to the ice cave. Like, there's ice, and then there's icicles, and then there's a cave back there. Like that way. That way. And we can't go back there, but it's still cool. Whoa. This is really cool. Yeah. There's like boulders everywhere. And like, that's where we came from. But it's all just like jagged. It's really cool. Sorry. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Just chilling. Oh, there's another one. There's another one over there. Wow. And then there's just ice. It's like an ice rink. And there's icicles. Wow. Pretty cool. So we made it to the hotel we're staying at tonight. We are staying in Fort Worth, Texas. Oh my god. And so this town is like all Wild West themed. It's just really cool. And apparently they have like this thing where they like, I don't really know, but you'll see tomorrow. But it's gonna be really cool. And we're gonna like explore the town, and it's just gonna be really cool. So see you then. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed, and please like and subscribe.